Welcome back, everybody. Here now talking with the Harmonies. Kaylee.
Haley.
Kaylee.
Yes. It's
Harmonies.
confusing.
Yeah. I only said that to myself like 5 times. That's how it happens. You failed the test. Well, thank you guys so much for coming in.
Thank you for
We've
having
loved
us.
hearing you get ready this morning. And this is kind of a big week and weekend for you guys, or certainly a big month going through February.
Mm-hmm.
New
Absolutely. Yeah, we just released our album, Pretty Picture, Dirty Brush, on February 3rd, which has been really exciting.
Yeah.
It's been a long time coming.
It's our debut album, so we're really pumped about it.
Yeah.
That's got to be so great, right? You got all the work that gets put into that, and then it's out there for the world to see.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. But then the fun part comes, right? Because then you get to go on the road and play it.
Exactly.
Play for everybody.
We've been on tour for about a week now, and it's been fabulous.
You guys out of Nashville, right?
Yes,
Oh, very
Nashville,
cool.
Tennessee.
Very cool. We always love welcoming bands in from Nashville. And you've got 3 shows here over these next few days, right?
Tonight we're playing at Kick Butt Coffee. It's a free show, 7:30. And on Sunday we're playing at the Saxon, which is at 10:30.
Oh, you nailed that. You had the cheat sheet up there and you didn't even need it.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's right, cool.
Got that memorized.
Yeah, that's right. I think bands who've been touring for a while, they just want to know what town they're in. You know the venues and
Yeah.
the towns. That's, you're above and beyond. But again, it's got to be so exciting, just the people being able to buy your album and responding to the songs.
Yeah, absolutely. We've gotten a really good response from it.
Yeah, and even get to come and play early in the morning, whether you want to or not.
Woo.
We're happy to have you. We're going to listen to you guys in just a minute when we come back.
It's got your name written on it. Just wait until it gets home. I'll give you everything you ever wanted. Well, I've been collecting my change for you, babe. We're gonna take the highway to wherever we wanna go. Feel the sand, taste the bitter ocean. Climb a mountain in Colorado. Well, I've been collecting my change for you, babe. First a nickel and a quarter, pennies add up to. I would do anything for you. And if we run out, that's okay. I'll start again today. I'll keep collecting my change for you, babe. For you, babe.
That is the Harmonies from Nashville. You can catch them a couple times this weekend, including tonight at the Kick Butt Cafe. We'd love to hear a little bit more.
Little cracks on an old sidewalk filled up with the people's talk. You tell just one, you tell them all. Nothing's safe when your city's small. Your city's small. You fall in love and you fall out, or it's ripped right from your ground. People stop and people stare, but they know what it's like being there. Being ooh, this town is haunting me. Ooh, it's the ghost of you I've seen. You show up in my kitchen sink. I see you when I start to drink. Yeah.